there are three phases: the input, the processing, and the output. The slider in this case can be considered the input. The output is displaying the value of blue on the screen. However, we now need to do a little bit of computations, a few computations, in order to process more functionality to our app. So I'm going to take my inputs, process them to create output. And the output in this case will be a new variable called myColor, which is going to be a color. I'm not going to give it a value. I'm going to hit enter, open some squiggly brackets, hit enter again. The value for this variable will be created by the computer. I'm going to return color.red for the time being, because the computer is looking for, or Swift is looking for, a color to be sent back. In this case, I'm sending back red. I'm now going to apply my color and place it as the foreground color of my circle. You can see it's asking for a color. My color is a color, so I can place my color in here. Resume. And I end up with red. However, I don't want red every single time. I want my color to be a color that is calculated using my red, green, and blue values. So using red, green, and blue variables, red, green, and blue variables placed into creating this color, I end up with now black, as all the values are 0. But if I move the slider across, I end up with more red, more green, and more blue, with 3 ones being white. And now the application has functionality. It's taking the input, processing that input, displaying the output.